Hello guys, today we are going to introduce our assignment for the distributed systems. So we had to do RMI server related distributed system. It had a web application as well as desktop application. We needed to connect them using REST API and RMI servers. So let me introduce our team first. We are still undergraduates in SLIIT of third year first semester software engineering. So our team name is team / and we have 4 members in our group. Divanta Case, VT Kontasingh, it's me, Kavinda Gunasingha, Vasana. So this is our team, and let me show you how to deploy our system. So you need to go to our GitHub repository. We have provided in description below, and I'll show you those files as well. So guys, when we need to open our project, our system, distributed system, first you need to up our backend, right? So we need to go to our backend. So I will show you what my backend is. We have alarm API folder. Then this is what I wanted to open. Then you can open this using Eclipse or IntelliJ or whatever you want in any IDE. So I have opened this in here. So you need to give ambient install if you want, if you got some issue. I don't think you want, I just mentioned. So if you get this, you need to run this. Before run this, you need to run your MySQL server. So you can use MySQL notification to use do that. So I have already started our MySQL server. Then I can simply run this. So I put this run state. So it will cost some time. So it's done guys. We have got our result. It's up and running, our backend. So let's see how to do with deploy our desktop application as well as RMI server. So we have opened our RMI server and web desktop application. So for that, my file is file monitoring system, file monitoring system. So you need to open this in any kind of IDE, Eclipse or IntelliJ or whatever you want. I opened this in Eclipse. So you need to have Java 13. So for that, you can install Java 13 and add it from preferences, JREs, Java, install JREs and add it here, and you can use this. Or if you got any error, you need to add our libraries. We have given these libraries as well. So this is our application. So you just need to run this application. For that, you just need to run this RMI server first. So it's up and running. So first you can I already run that RMI server. That's why we got some error. So I'll rerun that. So it's server is starting. RMI server is up and running now. So you can now go with our web app. First we can go with our desktop application. So first I will run our welcome form desktop application. So we got our web application. This is our web application. You can go guess and go to our dashboard. So it's getting our API details. Okay, this is our API. So this is our dashboard. from guest side, so you can't edit or delete or anything, so you just can see what's in here, alarms and all the things. So that's what you can see here. So let me show you how to add and remove anything. So you can run this here again, and this is our web app, desktop app. So you can go to admins. This is our admin login. I have showed you how to about the guest view, so I will show you how what is the admin view, admin dashboard. You need to give admin as the email and password admin321. So I will sign in, and this is our dashboard. So you can see we have floor numbers, room numbers, smoke level, CO2 level, it's activated or not, and edit and delete also there. We didn't got edit and delete in guest dashboard, so we have edit and delete in administrative view. So that's what we got, and I will show you how to add any thing to our sensors, add any sensor to our system, and I will edit and delete also. So first I can add any sensor here, so I will run our add sensor form. So ID I will give alarm 3 or something like that, floor number 3, room number something 23 or something like that. So okay, so it will add here, as you can see here, activate, and initially smoke level is 0. So this is what we have got here. So you can simply delete any thing in from here as well as edit. So I will show you how to edit this. So you can edit what you want, 23 to 24. Then let's okay, then you will have edited one as 24. So this is what you got as edit, as well as you can delete. I will delete. So this is what you got. So this is the things you can do from our desktop side, desktop application side, and you have administrative privileges as well here, as our assignment said. So those are the requirements you needed to have, and the special thing is we have refreshing these things after I think 20 seconds or some, yeah, 20 seconds. So it's also happening here. So that's what we got here, and I'll show you the web application as well then. So this is it. So I'll show you. I will delete those things as well. So that's it. Okay. The thing is, after this, you need to deploy our web application. So this is our web application fire alarm system. So you need to go to CMD, or you can simply open with codes, VS Code. So I'll open it with VS Code and show you what to do. Initially you won't have node module, so you need to have node modules. I have already installed node module, so you don't, so you need to do that. Simply use npm install. So I will do it again in my bad, npm install. So it will cost some time, and you will finally you will have node module fold. Guys, I forgot to show you something. So the thing is, when this is green because we don't have above 5 and smoke level 5 or CO2 level 5. So that's why we have green here. So if you get smoke level above 5 and CO2 level above 5, then it will display like red. So that's what I wanted to show you. So it's activated, I mean it's alarm activated when we get smoke level 6 above 5 and 0 to level 5, as well as it will give SMS alert and email to administrators as well, administrator email as well as administrative mobile. You will get some notifications as well. So that's what I wanted to show. So I will show those things. It will alert this email as well as this number, so those things are there as well. So that's it. In here, so this is done. Guys, I'm going to run our web application, so you need to give ng serve -o, or you can use double dash open as well. This is short form. So because our application is Angular application, web application, so if you want to run an Angular application, you need to give ng serve -o. Before that, you need to give npm install as well. So I'm going to put enter, then it will compile and open our application, web application. So guys, our web application is running. I will show some stuff and go back to our web application. So we have used our API here. Our API has find null and alarms. These methods are there, our API. So this is our model, those stuff there. So those are things we are getting, and we have used refreshing rate here. I'll show you that as well. So we have used 10,000 milliseconds, so it means 10 seconds. Every 10 seconds it's refreshing our API. They are requesting our request every 10 seconds. So that's what we got, and it was a requirement for our assignment as well. So this is the code we have used. So let's go to our web application. So this is our web application. We have as you saw in our desktop application, I had added 3 alarms. Those are 3 alarms, and I added 1 alarm here which is already activated, smoke level and CO2 level. So 6 and 7, it means above 5, so it's activated. So others are inactivated, so inactive. So this is what we wanted, and we have graph as well, those alarms and 10 seconds, those stuff. So this is our web application, and that's what we wanted to show. And anything more to say? No. So this is not admin privilege part, so this is a user privilege part, so we can't edit or update, delete or anything here. So you can just see and get notified what are the activate and inactivate. So that's it. So I'm going to wind up my things. Thank you. Happy programming.